Day 6 of the Rio Olympics 2016 will see Indians in action across 6 sports: golf, badminton, archery, hockey, boxing, tennis. Who will be the Indian athletes in action? As golf returns to Olympics after 112 years, India will have 2 men in the fray. While top golfers have pulled out of the games, India's Anirban Lahiri and SSP Chowdhury are keen on a medal for India. India's badminton campaign will begin with the women's doubles pair of Jwala and Ashwini Ponnappa taking on top seeds, Japan's Ayaka Takahashi and Misaki Matsumoto. In the men's doubles event, Olympics debutantes PS Reddy and Emma Trey will match up with Indonesia's Muhammad Ahsan and Hendry Setiawan in their Group D preliminaries. PV Sindhu will start her women's singles campaign with her match against Laura Sarazi of Hungary, while Saina Nehwal, one of India's strongest medal hope, will face Loni Vicente of Brazil in her opening match. In the men's singles badminton preliminaries, Kitambi Srikanth will face Lino Munoz of Mexico. He is India's only men's singles shuttler. In archery, India's Bomba Devi will be in action for her round of 16 individual event. She will be up against Mexico's Alejandra Valencia. In boxing, India's Shiva Thapa will begin his campaign in the men's bantamweight 56 kg category. His round of 32 bout will be against Cuba's Robeisy Ramirez, the London 2012 gold medalist. India's tennis mixed doubles pair of Sania Mirza and Rohan Bopanna will be up against Australia's Samantha Stosur and John Peers, after their match was rescheduled to Day 6 of the Olympics due to rain delays. The Indian men's hockey team will take the field against Netherlands in their 4th pool match, following their 2-1 victory against Argentina in their previous setting. While the Indian women's hockey team will take on USA. The team suffered a heavy 6-1 defeat at the hands of Australia in their last match. Here are all the Indians in action on Thursday: Anirban Lahiri, golf, men's individual round 1 SSP Chowdhury, golf, men's individual round 1 Jwala and Ashwini Ponnappa, badminton, women's doubles preliminaries S. Reddy and Manjushri, badminton, men's doubles preliminaries PV Sindhu, badminton, women's singles preliminaries Saina Nehwal, badminton, women's singles preliminaries Kitambi Srikanth, badminton, men's singles preliminaries Bomba Devi, archery, round of 16 individual events Shiva Thapa, boxing, men's bantam 56 kg Sania Mirza Rohan Bopanna, tennis, mixed doubles event men's hockey team, group stage women's hockey team, group stage. What time will these events happen? All times in IST, golf. The men's individual round 1 featuring India's Anirban Lahiri and SSP Chowdhury will begin at 4:00 p.m. Badminton, Jwala and Ashwini Ponnappa's women's doubles match versus Japan's Ayaka Takahashi and Emma Matsumoto will begin at 4:30 p.m. The men's doubles match between PS Reddy and Manjushri and Indonesia's Muhammad Ahsan and Hendry Setiawan will be at 5:30 p.m. In women's singles, PV Sindhu will take on Hungary's Laura Sarazi at 6:40 p.m. and Saina Nehwal will open her quest for another Olympic medal against Brazil's Loni Vicente at 7:50 p.m. Kitambi Srikanth will start his men's singles campaign at 5:35 a.m. the next morning, taking on Mexico's Lino Munoz. Archery, Bomba Devi will continue her women's individual campaign with her round of 16 match against Mexico's Alejandra Valencia at 5:56 p.m. Boxing, India's Shiva Thapa begins his boxing campaign in men's bantam 56 kg with his round of 32 bout against Cuba's Robeisy Ramirez at 8:00 p.m. Tennis, Sania Mirza Rohan Bopanna vs Samantha Stosur John Peers will start at 12 midnight. Hockey, the men's hockey team will take on Netherlands at 6:30 p.m., while the women's team will play USA at 4:00 a.m. the next morning. What are India's medal prospects? No Indian athlete will be involved in a medal event on Thursday. However, the day will be very crucial as India's medal chances will be largely dependent on how the players perform, especially in badminton and boxing.